Hi, this is John Rennie from AccuGrid Technologies with today's AccuTip. Now today we're talking about the COS Current Transformer. We're going to go through today all the different ratios you can get, the different configurations of bus bars, the different base plates, and the diameters of the hole inside of this CT. We're going to go through all the details that you need to know about the COS Current Transformer. So you're probably asking yourself, well, what does COS stand for? Well, we make our product configurations very simple. COS stands for Current Outdoor Small Window. So this is the smallest CT we make. So the three things you need to remember is a current, it's outdoor rated, and it has the small window. That's what the COS stands for. First of all, let's talk about the bus configurations that you can get on this CT. It's one of the most versatile CTs we have. And so I'll talk about the three different bus configurations you can get. The first one is a pressed bar. Now this is a one-piece bar that's pressed into the CT, and it is a permanent bus bar option that's available. And this is the most common option that's available with the COS CT. We also offer a bolted bar version, which is the same mechanical and electrical configuration as the pressed bar option, but it can be taken apart. There's bolts on there, and you can take that off for use with cable configurations. And the final configuration that we have in the COS is actually no bus bar at all. And so this is where you can place a cable through there to be able to measure currents. These are the three main configurations that we have for the bus bar for the COS. There are also three configurations for base plates that you can get with this particular CT. You can go with no base plate, which you can see right there. There's no base plate on the unit. You can also go with a flat base plate, which is the most common configuration, a flat base plate. And then we also offer the high base plate. All three options are available with this CT. In fact, all of our CTs have a smart style number. So for the COS, this is the way the style number is built. So you start off with the type of CT, so the COS CT. The next four digits are going to be your ratio. So say, for example, we have this right here. It's a 300:5 ratio CT. So your next four digits will be 0300. And then your next digit is going to be, are you high accuracy or standard accuracy? And then the next digit is going to be, do you have a high base plate, a standard base plate, or no base plate? And the final digit is going to be your bus bar. You're going to have no bus bar, or you're going to have a pressed bus bar, or you're going to have a bolted bus bar. The COS CT is available in high accuracy and standard accuracy. In the high accuracy configuration, we have two ratios available, the 300:5 and the 600:5. When it comes to standard accuracy, we have four CT configurations available. These are the 200:5, 400:5, 600:5, and 800:5. The COS CT is typically used in metering cabinets or trans sockets. The diameter of the COS current transformer is 1.64 inches, with the exception of the 200 and the 400:5 CTs. Now those have a 1.07 inch diameter. Well, thank you for listening today. For more information, go to AccuGridTech.com. Also, you should subscribe to this channel because we'll be having more technical content in the coming days.